Stří. How do you say it?
3 or 4?
3
měsíce. Reconnecting with your family can be a challenge, especially if they live abroad or speak another language. Today we're going to talk about returning to your Czech roots with my Czech-American friend and student Solée, who has started her new life chapter in the Czech Republic. Solée has recently started learning Czech, so we're going to be using Czenglish as well. Hi everyone, I'm Teresa and welcome to my channel. Let's begin. První otázka. Proč žiješ v České republice?
Protože jsem napůl Američanka a napůl Češka. And I want to reconnect with my Czech roots and with my Czech family, who I haven't known most of my life, so now I live here.
So, in short, this sentence in Czech would be chci se spojit s mojí českou rodinou a chci se vrátit ke svým českým kořenům. You would actually say like I want to return to my Czech roots. Jak dlouho žiješ v České republice?
3 měsíce, Jablonce a Praha.
V Jablonci nad Nisou, to je taky české město, a v Praze. Druhá otázka. Jaké jsou podle tebe největší kulturní rozdíly mezi životem v USA, v Americe a v Česku? To znamená, co tě nejvíc překvapilo, šokovalo v Česku?
Definitely the drinking culture, the pivo at any hour of the day.
Ale Američani pijou pivo taky.
Ne.
Ne tolik jako Češi.
There's definitely more. And the way people walk their dogs. I always see them roaming the streets like cows without leashes, just wherever they please.
Takže ty si myslíš, že lidé v Česku venčí psy bez vodítka, without the leash.
Jak se řekne, they walk their dogs like cows.
Oni venčí svoje psy jak krávy. Krávy. Actually, there's a little side linguistic note. Venku is outside, and we have a verb to walk your dog. We say venčit psa. Venčit psa. It's only for the dog. Like, I'm going to go outside and walk my dog. It's venčit because venku is outside. So it's if you have a dog, that's a useful word for you.
Cool.
Třetí otázka. Co ti nejvíc chybí v Česku? What do you miss the most in Czechia?
Moja americká rodina a můj pes.
A možná taky počasí? Maybe the weather too? Yeah?
The warmth, yes.
Teplo. Chybí mi teplo. I miss the warm weather. Okay. By the way, I'm really thrilled that my videos are helping you make progress in Czech. I would be really grateful if you decided to support my efforts. Join my Patreon and practice my videos with interactive worksheets including quiz, translation, transcription and listening exercises. The link to Patreon is down in the description box. Čtvrtá otázka. Jaká je tvoje zkušenost s Čechy a s Češkami? Je pozitivní nebo negativní a proč?
Positivní, but I'm biased.
Proč?
Because I'm half Czech and you're Czech, and I have a lot of nice friends and family who are Czech, so I think that they're amazing.
So you can say, myslím si, že Češi a Češky jsou úžasní. A sympatičtí. Velmi. To je kompliment. Velmi úžasní a velmi sympatičtí. Ano. Poslední, pátá otázka. Plánuješ v Česku zůstat a proč? Jestli ano, proč?
Ano, plánuju v Česku zůstat, protože jsem muzikantka, zpívám, and I want to perform in Prague and hopefully meet other musicians out there. So if you live in Prague, let me know. Yeah.
Potvrzuju, I confirm, Solée je skvělá zpěvačka, má opravdu velký talent, takže jestli chceš být součástí Solée hudební skupiny, tak ji kontaktuj.
Be in my band.
Její kontakt bude dole pod videem. No, but really, she's an awesome singer, so
DK.
Check out her link below the video. A bonusová otázka. Solé, ty jsi moje studentka. Ty se učíš se mnou česky. Možná 2 měsíce. Ale jak dlouho se učíš česky sama? Maybe alone. Like.
Učím se česky 4 měsíce.
4 měsíce.
Měsíce.
Aha, výborně. Tak Solé, moc ti děkuju za rozhovor.
Není zač.
That is all for today. What about you? Do you learn Czech because you have a family over here? How do you feel about returning to your Czech culture? Does your family help you learn Czech, or do they prefer to speak English or another language? I'm curious to know. Let me know in the comment section. Also, feel free to share this video with your friends who might also have Czech origins. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next week. Ciao!
I would like to reconnect. Okay, let's start over.
Just like, no worries. We'll have a lot of bloopers.